Right. A nice warm welcome to all of you. Nice to see all of you. Nice to see that you are keeping warm. I hope you're also keeping safe as well. Isn't it? You are staying at home, you're sanitizing. Are you? Right. That is wonderful. Right. So before we start our lesson for this morning, I'm just going to remind you a few things that we have to look at during this week, all right? Our exams, they start tomorrow morning, all right? We're starting tomorrow at exactly 10 o'clock, and our exam ends at 12 o'clock. So make sure that you have got everything ready. Your data should be ready, isn't it? 10 o'clock is not the time for you to be going to buy data, but it should already be there in your phone or your device or laptop, all right? And make sure that you send your work to me before 12. Is that clear?
Yes.
At 10, and your work, you must make sure that you send it before 12 o'clock. You can send it around 10 to quarter to 12 o'clock, but not after that. After that, my device will not allow me to mark your work. So you'll end up getting 0. Is that clear? So make sure that we stick to our time. Our exam is from 10 o'clock up to 12 o'clock. Don't send it don't send the following day. Otherwise, I won't be able to mark your work. All right. Thank you for trying to join us. And as you write your work, please make sure that you write neatly. Remember, this is an exam, so you're going to write your work neatly. Make sure that I can see everything that you have written. And when they take photos, make sure that your photos are also clear.
Miss Khabo.
Good morning, good morning. We've already started our lesson. You're most welcome, Clinton. All right. I was just giving others a few reminders. Also trying to join us. So that is write your work, make sure that it is clear, and the photos which they take, make sure that it's also clear. I don't want to be asking you to resend the photos. All right, Mr. Chikede, you're also most welcome. Thank you for joining us. We've already started our work for today. Right, those who are joining us, I was just reminding you that our exams will start tomorrow at 10 o'clock and the exam ends at 12 o'clock. Make sure that you send your work on time, all right? And make sure that you write neatly, and the photos which they take, make sure that they are also clear. All right, and tomorrow, since we're having our exams, it means tomorrow there is no live lesson. All right, so you have to go to the Google Classroom and you check for your exam there. All right, so for now, we are going to revise a little bit. We're going to try and look at all our subjects, since I'm not going to be speaking the whole week. We'll be communicating through the Google Classroom and our WhatsApp group. All right, so we're going to look a little bit at content. I hope you've got your pen. Kyle, no fingers in your mouth. No fingers in your mouth, please. All right. Right, so you must have your pencil and you've got your paper. I'm going to ask you a few questions, 5 for content, 5 for English, 5 for maths, and maybe a little bit of Ndebele and Shona if we've got time. The man is surprised. All right, so the first question which I'm going to ask you, just write the answer only. All right, how many colors are on our national flag? Write the number, how many colors?
Five.
Mr. Chikede, make sure that you are listening to me. I said you are writing. You're not shouting and screaming, but you are writing the answer. Write the answer, Mr. Chikede, and you show. Right?
Ma'am, should we see after?
May I please see Imani if you are done? Listen to the 0. You see, please. How many colors? Right, that is okay. Thank you, Miss Mchina 0 there. The question you lost me. You said how many colors are on our national flag? Just write the answer and you show me the answer. Same to you, Unati, you are joining us now. How many colors are they on our national flag? Right, that is correct. Mr. Mpofu there. That's very correct. Thank you. Please, let's do it fast so that we can revise all our subjects. All right? Albert, you're most welcome. Our lesson has already started about 10 minutes ago, Talbeth. So right now, the question was how many colors are on our national flag? Talbeth, right? The answer and you show me. Right, Clinton, that's wonderful. Thank you, that's very correct. There's someone playing at the background there, Talbeth. Please, can they not be playing? They're not dressed. We don't want to see them there. They're not dressed, please. Right, thank you. Blessing, have you written the answer? Blessing?
Teacher, what did you say?
Right. Let's go on to number 2. Where is Great Zimbabwe? Where would you find Great Zimbabwe? It's near which town? Right, the answer. Where do we find the Great Zimbabwe? Near which town? I want the name of the town where we find Great Zimbabwe. What's it's near Harare. There, maybe some 2 or 3 years back, we went for a trip there. Kyle, where do we find Great Zimbabwe? Jeremy, where do we find Great Zimbabwe?
It's
I'm going to help you with that question. We find Great Zimbabwe in town is called Masvingo. Did you hear that, Miss Mchile? Masvingo. Right, Mr. Chikede?
I kind of forgotten.
You had forgotten, isn't it? I hope you remember now. So we find Great Zimbabwe near the town of Masvingo. Right. Yes, that is now correct. Masvingo. Masvingo. Okay. Right. The next question. You want the spelling, Miss Mchila? I said M-A. Masvingo. Right. So let's quickly go on to the next question. What is it built of? The Great Zimbabwe? What did they use to build the Great Zimbabwe? Remember, we're writing content tomorrow. What did they use? Please write the answer down. What did they use, Kyle? You're still thinking. Mufaro, you are most welcome to our lesson, Mufaro. We are now revising content. Yes, that's very correct, Ms. Mchino Zero there. Very correct. Wonderful there. Miss Shoko, you're most welcome to our lesson. Mufaro. We are revising content, and the question was about Great Zimbabwe. What is it of? What did they use to build the Great Zimbabwe? What did they use there, Kyle? Ofaro, what did they use to build Great Zimbabwe?
How our numbers?
Right.
3.
Stones. The Great Zimbabwe, it is built using stones. There were no bricks, nothing like that. It was cement, but they were using stones. Right, Kyle, you can put your book down. Thank you. All right.
I
So
can
they
put
used
it down.
stones. We are going to be writing the answers, Mufaro. All right. We are losing people and we are coming back. Right. Then the next question, where do we store food? Where do we store our food? If we've got food, where would you store it? Where would you put the food? Do you just buy the food, just leave it outside? Where would you store the food? Clinton, we are now on
Preserve it.
where do we store food? Yes. Right.
Preserve it. Mom, you mean a long time ago?
Yes, a long time ago. Where would they store the food? Where would they store the food?
Pepsi.
Oh,
A granary.
they would store food in a granary. Right. And the granaries, they are still there. If you go and visit our grandparents in all areas got the granaries.
I should write the answer.
Yes, you're supposed to write the answers, Mufaro, in a granary. 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 All right.
A-R.
A Granary.
What?
A granary. That's where they store food. Even long back there. Granary. Right. Right, I think that's done with that one. Now we're going to move on quickly to our next subject. All right, I'm just going to ask you about 5 questions as well. All right. Our next subject, which is science and science. The science. Name one animal that has got patterns on it. Which animal has got patterns? When you look at that animal,
A zebra.
Zebra. Put it down. Just for instructions. Right? A animal that has got correct. Nice, Mufaro. Listen. Right, yes. What about you, Mr. Chikete? We're supposed to answer. Unati. Right, thank you. Blessing to teacher. Can I have your answer, Blessing? Right, Kyle, thank you. I've seen your answer. Right, so we wanted an animal. Sometimes first you might be asked the animal, all right, or there was leopard, snakes, patterns on them. Are you feeling okay there?
Yes.
I do not want to be calling you for that, Kyle. Right? Right. Next question. Which animal protects thieves at home? Which animal can we keep that protects us?
Dogs.
Right?
Dogs.
Right? The answer is animal. We keep it for protection.
Can you
Right. Is it very correct, Mufaro? Correct, Kyle. Some people are thinking that together you are still thinking, Emmanuel. Right. Wonderful there. Clinton. Very good. Right. So we keep dogs for protection. At night time, they will bark and they will alert us if there is something that is going on. All right. Right. The next question: what color is water? What color is water?
Colorless.
Jeremy Chikede. Oh. Write your answer down. Don't shout and scream. That's not what we do in the classroom, is it? I said color is water. We learned about water, and we said that water takes the shape of a container. Right. Water has got. Yes, correct. Very correct. Clinton, can I see? Correct there. Let's
Did you see mine?
up and down. Right, yes, Iman, that is very correct. Right, so we say that water has no shape. It takes the shape of a container. We still remember that experiment for grade 1, and we say that water is colorless. It has got no color. If you put water in a red tumbler, it appears red. You put it in a blue tumbler, it appears blue, or whichever color of your container. All right, so water is colorless. What makes work easy? If I want to do some work in the garden, I want to dig, I want to rake. What makes work easy? What can I use? What makes work easy? Imani?
Sticky.
Yes, Mufaro?
Dicky.
Yes, I might dig. But what will I be using? Will I be using my hands to dig? What should I use?
No.
I want one word for all those things which I can use. Are you putting on your thinking caps? Yes. Yes. Faro, I've seen Imani. Thank you. Yes.
Oh.
Right.
I
You've
can
given me examples. You've said horse, you've said pigs, but the answer that I wanted was a machine, a simple machine to make work easy. When it's in the kitchen, I want to cut, or I'm outside, I'm working, I'm digging, I'm chopping, I will use simple machines like horse, like rakes, all right, or pigs. Those are all machines. So machine makes work, a simple machine makes work easy. All right. Right, and we must mind our spellings. Though it's content, I would not be very strict, but when it comes to English, make sure that your spellings are correct. All right, let's move on to the next question. So you must listen. This thing, can you see Jeremy? Jeremy,
What did you say?
Jeremy,
I'm not playing.
you're not playing, you're not listening to me, Jeremy. This thing is all around us, but we can't see it. We need it.
Hey, you can't see.
This thing is all around us. We can't see it, we can't touch it, but we need it so that we can work. What is this? Can you written it down? What is this
What
thing?
did you say, ma'am?
I said this thing, Imani, is all around us. We can't see it, we can't touch it, but we need it to breathe. We must have it. Yes, very correct, Mufaro. We need it. Yes, very correct. What did you write, Imani? Well, right, wonderful. Right, yes, that's correct. We need air. We can't see it, we can't touch it, but we know that air is all around us. Air, so that we can listen to people. I am not seeing anything from you. Blessing.
What did you say?
Right, and we are going to move on to another subject. Now we are going to move on to maths. I'm going to revise a few things that we did during the course of the term. I hope you are ready. Right, there are some words that we look at. Just to remember these words. What was that word?
Yes, after and fast.
Yes, after. When I sound like this one, it says after. Here is my number. I've got a box. So you must write the number that comes after 16. Which number? Can you please write it? Just write the number that comes after 16. Let's quickly write that number. Right, correct, Imani. Mufaro. Wonderful there. Kyle. You're almost there, Kyle. Right. Please on the number that comes after 16. Fast. You did this right. That is correct. So the number 17 comes after number 16. Then we've got the next number quickly. We've got 27. Which number comes after 27? There is the empty box. That empty box shows you that you must write the number that comes after 1 that I've given you. Right. Very correct. Thank you, Ivani. Correct, Mufaro. Wonderful, Kyle. Wonderful there. Clinton, are you done? Right, thank you. Blessing Totito. I'm now seeing the ceiling there. Please, can you adjust your device? Right. Then the last number, it's 45. Which number comes after 45? Write the number there. So when you see sums like this, in our question paper, if they are there, you should be knowing what you should do. You look at your word after and your number. Right. Thank you. Correct there. Wonderful. Wonderful work there. Right. Then another word that we looked at, very neat, Clinton, thank you, was before. Which number comes before? Already there's a box, it's empty, and your number here it is 10. So write the number that comes before 10 as you count. Which number comes before 10? Right. Others are very fast. Mufaro, thank you, Kyle. They are very fast. Right. Imani, we are done. Correct. Clinton, very good.
Okay.
Blessing, I'm still calling you.
Yes.
I am not seeing your work. Blessing. Right. Then let's go to the next one. Which number comes before 23? Which number comes before 23 as you are counting? Jeremy? Yes, right. We only have like a few more minutes left.
I don't have space. Do you see mine?
Page, please, Imani, open the next page. Yes, I can see you, Faro. Imani,
Yes.
right on the side.
Can you see mine?
Yes, I've seen it. Right on the side, Imani. Right on the side, there's space there. All right. Right, Mufaro and Kyle. Very good there. Right. Then the last number. Let's write the number before 41. Which number comes before 41? Just quickly write that number.
Teacher, can you see mine?
Yes, please, I can see it. Right.
I made it.
Very correct. Please write it again, Imani, quickly. Rewrite it if you made a mistake. Jeremy?
Did you see mine?
Yes, I've seen it, Kyle. Right. Imani, that is okay. All right. Then we also looked at these sums. Remember, we said if you find the sums, these are tens, and if I have tied all of them, it means that they are 10. You don't even have to count. You know that once I've tied them, this is, so they are 10. So this is 110. You still remember?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, so this is 110. What about number 2? What is the answer there? How many tens are there?
One.
What about number 3? How many tens do we have?
110.
Yes, we have got 110. Then the last one, how many tens are there?
210.
Yes, 2 tens. So we say that these are 2 tens. I hope when you find them in your exam, you will do that one correctly. Right, then the last one. How many tens are here? How many tens?
110.
Yes, very correct. It's only 110. And how many units do we have?
210.
How many? Yes, it's 110. And how many units?
2 units.
Yes, there are 2 units. So this is 110 and 2 units. So when we add them, we get 12. All right. Right. Then one more thing again that we looked at. You still remember these ones?
Yes.
Yes, we talked about fractions. All right. And you said when we've got our shape and when we cut it into 2 equal parts, we get halves. So this is 1/2 and that is another 1/2. All right. So 1/2 plus 1/2 will give us 2 halves, which is the same as 1 whole fruit, 1 whole tomato, 1 whole orange. All right.
Yes.
Yes, so you're also going to practice these ones as well. I still have got some other shapes here that were not cut. So you are going to practice that one and as you revise. All right? Is that okay? So okokugcina ke sizathi sikhangele lesindebele angitsho sibone ke ukuthi konke siyakukhangela esakwenzayo amabala aphikisanayo, sibumbe siyenze ukube kunengi iziqa zamabala, indatshana, konke khona lokhu silakho ezingwalweni zethu. Sibone ukuthi ke siyakubala. Angitsho Miss Mchine Zero. You also check for everything. Titani senzwese uchishona anditi. Anditi Miss Mchine Zero. Yes, revise. Mr. Kukuza has already given you plenty of work. So Titani senzwese anditi. So for now, I'm going to say goodbye. All right? So we're going to meet in our WhatsApp group and our Google Classroom, all right? So bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.